If you accidentally deleted your Photoshop PSD files, formatted your drive, or lost them due to other unexpected errors, don't worry. I'll show you a reliable way to get them back quickly. The tool we'll use is RecoveryFox AI, an AI-powered data recovery software that handles all kinds of data loss situations. It supports over 500 file types, including Adobe Photoshop project files. So, yes, your PSDs are fully covered. Let's jump right in and see how it works. First, download and install RecoveryFox AI from the official website. I've left the link below in the comments for easy access. A quick but important reminder, don't install the software or save anything new on the same drive where your lost files were stored. As when a file is deleted, it's not really gone. It's just marked as unavailable. As long as no new data overwrites it, you still have a good chance to get it back. So the sooner you act with a reliable recovery tool, the higher your success rate will be. Once installed, launch RecoveryFox AI. You'll see a clean and simple interface. Select the drive or folder where your Photoshop files were lost, and the scan will start immediately. RecoveryFox AI provides two scanning modes, Quick Scan and AI Scan. Quick Scan works best for the recent lost files, while AI Scan can detect and rebuild long-term deleted data. During AI Scan, you can pause anytime to preview and recover found files. But for the best recovery results, it's recommended to let the scan finish completely. After the scan, you can view the results by file path or file type. I'll start by checking the Quick Scan folder under File Path. And here it is, my deleted PSD folder and all PSD files I just deleted. You can also switch to File Type, go to Photo, and then open the PSD folder. As you can see, some PSD files that were deleted a long time ago also show up here. Next, select a file to preview it. Some images might fail to open if they've already been overwritten, but not always. That's why it's recommended to recover and check the file to be sure. If everything looks good, just select the specific PSD files you want to recover, or simply recover the entire PSD folder. When choosing the saving location, make sure to pick a different drive or folder from where the files were lost. This helps prevent overwriting and ensures a higher chance of a successful recovery. Now, let's open the recovered PSD files in Photoshop and see if they work properly. Perfect. All the PSD files are back and fully functional. And that's it. With RecoveryFox AI, recovering deleted Photoshop files is easy, fast, and reliable. By the way, the unregistered version lets you scan and preview recoverable files for free, so you can try it before you buy it. Thanks for watching. I'm Rico from RecoveryFox AI. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll be sharing more practical data recovery and device tips soon.